Hello everybody, like I said, here we are. Unfortunately, leaving the cars back at home. We're about to cover this girl back up, and we are headed to the LZ World Tour at E-Town to kick off the 2025 season of the LZ World Tour. The very first LZ World Tour ever was at E-Town, and it was epic, so I'm hoping to have the same results here. Day one, stay tuned, we're gonna spin you right into an edit. And yeah, back-to-back days, 2-day event rather than 1 day like they did in the past. And I'm stoked, so here goes nothing. And here we go, guys, back at it again, heading up back to E-Town for day 2 of LZ World Tour. Like I said, cars, trucks, everything. Staying at home, who knows, guys, maybe one day we'll be spinning some laps with these guys. Maybe sometime in the future, but that's a future goal. But E-Town on the way, day 2, let's get it. Day 2, finally no traffic. Actually being able to pull right into here, that's a treat. Buddy who couldn't get into the race, or the event I'd rather, all parked alongside the street watching from their cars. The road just wraps around the place because they sold out. That is insane.
4:20 about, we're gonna be up. I'm hoping this survives.
Oh, we are absolutely freezing. Just got back to the car. They just wrapped up the LZ World Tour Round 1 over here at Englishtown, New Jersey. Those of you interested, these are the new sublimated Galaxy hoodies. I just dropped them. You know where to find them. Head over to our Instagram. And these hoodies are not actually black. They actually are nebula. So inside each of the letters, it's actually Galaxy. So pretty cool feature for you guys that are interested. Ooh, did it get freaking chilly here near the end of E-Town here. But well, we're gonna go defrost, and I think I'll wrap the video up right here in the parking lot of E-Town. So we're heading home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I froze my ass off to get this footage for you guys, so hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.